Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is the binary puzzle. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's Wednesday, March the 27th, 2024. And in this newspaper I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle remains, and it's the binary puzzle. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And the news of today, well, it's war day number 763. 763 days ago the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, the third regular puzzle is puzzle number 8260. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Well, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column always 5 1s and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1s, here, oh wait, double 1, yeah, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. And here we have a double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O. Here one, there one. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O. Here one, there one. Then between 2 1s comes an O. Double O. Here one, there one. Between 2 1s comes an O. And now double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1. Here no, there no. Then. Let me see. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. That box should be an O. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Alright, between the 1s comes an O. 5 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the 1s comes an O. And we have here, well, double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I think we, between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 2, 3, 4. I think we need to compare now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me compare. 101. No, it's totally different. Yes, this column and the last column. 0011 0011 empty box 11 001100. So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here, there should be a 1. We have 1 here, there should be an O. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, need to compare again. Well. Alright. This is different. Cannot compare this one. How about, do we have a double here? No. Let me compare this one. Do we have a double here? Here. This one. And that one. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have 1 here, this should be no. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Finished. Double check. 1 2 3 4 5. Correct. In 7 minutes. Well, we solved it again. And I like this one here, so we do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.